How to make a mood board. Because I'm better at like creative things, but for that I'd rather like do it with you in person, and I'd have to like get the supplies to you and stuff. So I thought this was like the best like creative thing to do online. Why make a mood board? So mood boards are a great way to like visually communicate your ideas. I find them really helpful if you're planning something, like whether it be a room makeover or like presents for your family or anything like that. And it's also a great way for gathering inspiration for something, like a piece of artwork, or you're into drama, right? So like a play that you're writing or something, like a scene that you're going to make. Step 1 of making a mood board: pick a theme. This could be actually anything from something as simple as a colour to a feeling, a place, or an activity, whatever you want. I've put up an example of a mood board kind of based on like nature and green. Second step for making a mood board: collect the items that you associate with your theme. This could be colours, shapes, quotes. It could literally be anything. Like if I'm making a physical mood board, then I could collect samples of things like fabric. Like I find the best places to find inspiration are like Tumblr, Pinterest, obviously Google Images, but I think Pinterest is like a bit better because it's more like curated and stuff, so it's easier to find exactly what you want. And then the final step, formatting. And I think this is like the most important step, because you want to see like how well all the things you've collected visually work together. And sometimes you'll find you'll put two images together and they won't actually look like that great together. So I always find it fun to move things around, space things out, put them close together, just play around with formatting to see what works best. It's not about fitting loads of images together. Sometimes spaced out formatting creates a clearer, more sophisticated effect, because I feel like sometimes when people are making mood boards, they just like to put like all of the images that they found on it, and that can be helpful in some ways, but for me I'd find that like too chaotic, because then there's like too much information.